It's March, spring is coming, and you're done with sitting at home 24/7 with your wife in this pandemic. You're ready to hit the road again, jump on that saddle and feel free. But then, destiny hits. You got a dead battery, and I got the solution for that. After a long winter of standing still in your garage, your battery probably will be drained. This is due to the fact that all the electronics in your bike slowly leak electricity. After months, this can result in your battery not having the full capacity to be able to start your bike. Today I brought 3 batteries to compare them and 2 trickle chargers, so you don't have to. Here we have a lead battery from Yuasa, which is pretty heavy. Here we have a lithium-ion battery from GMT, which is really light. And these are the newest lithium-ion batteries from Solace, with a complementary charger. And last but not least, the Noco Genius battery charger. The lead battery is pretty heavy, but it also has some advantages. This bad boy will probably survive the winter and you will be able to start your bike without any problems. Also, it's the cheapest option of the 3. A downside of this lead battery is that you have to fill it yourself with sulfuric acid, which can be pretty dangerous. Also, the battery always has to stand upright, so you can't move it around too much in your motorcycle. That could be a big hassle when building a cafe racer. In comparison to the lead battery, the lithium-ion battery from GMT is really light. I think only 1 kilogram or so. Besides it being light, it's also really powerful and small. You don't have to fill this one up with sulfuric acid, and you can even install it upside down or sideways. The downside to lithium-ion batteries is that you always have to charge them with a battery charger to keep them in good health. The big advantage of the Solace is that it's really small. Besides that, it's also really powerful. It's user-friendly and maintenance-free. Solace also has a complementary charger with trickle charger function. The batteries are easily charged with this charging cable. Just hook this up to your electronics and leave this in an easy accessible place somewhere on your motorcycle. Then just plug it in like so, and you're done. This charger is sold separately, so you don't have to buy it if you have a charger at home already. Take in consideration that a small battery can't deliver that much power as a bigger battery. So always check what battery fits your bike. No matter what battery you choose, always know that it's better to hook it up to a trickle charger to keep it in good health. So next time you put your motorcycle in the garage for a longer period of time, hook it up and ensure yourself of hitting the road again soon. That was all for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.